Hello everybody. Today we can see about Mindray gamma glutamine transferase kit. Here we can see the brand name Mindray on the top, then product name gamma glutamine transferase kit. We use this ZRAS method or IFCC stand. This is a short form of GGT, so we can call this kit as GGT kit. In this top we can see the brand name, product name, then barcode. In the front we can see the product name GGT. On the bottom we can see reference number GGT0102. This kit contains two reagents. The reagent 1 4 into 25 ml, reagent 2 2 into 18 ml. This is C certificate IVD product. One instruction manual inside this kit. You should maintain this kit between 2 degrees Celsius, 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. This is a lot number. Then in the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall representation of front view. On the top view we can see the other angles. In this angle there is a plain bottom. On the back side we can see for in vitro diagnostic use. On the other side, in the bottom we can see the brand name Mindray, then manufacturing details. This is the overall representation of this product. Here we go for summary. Today we can see the Mindray GGT product for ZRAS method, IFCC stand. This reagent contains two reagents. Reagent 1 4 into 35 ml, reagent 2 2 into 18 ml. Thank you.